Hello class, this is just the example video that I was going to be doing. Hope you've given it a go. If you haven't yet, you can pause the video and give these a go, because I'm going to go through these rather quickly. So here we go. Determine whether the following are either arithmetic or geometric by calculating the common difference or common ratio. And in case you've forgotten, this is arithmetic series. This one here, forgot to write down, this would be a geometric progression or geometric sequence. So here we go. For this, you can just start testing either one. For this, I'm just going to pick the number 9, and let's always test the arithmetic sequence first. 9 take away 3 should equal 15 take away 9. We get 6 is equal to 6. Our common difference is equal to 6. This is an arithmetic progression. Moving to the next one. You can test it again. From just looking at this, it seems to be an arithmetic progression, so we'll pick any number. I'll pick this number 10. 10 take away the previous should equal the following. Negative 10 take away the current. We get negative 20 equals negative 20. Our common difference is negative 20. So this is, again, an arithmetic progression. You can probably guess, because of just how I structure my videos, this is going to be a geometric progression. But let's double check to be sure. So let's pick number 6. 6 divided by the previous should equal the following divided by the one we've picked. Straight into our calculator for this. Let's double check. 6 divided 4 is 1.5. Or you can leave it as a fraction, 3 over 2. And 9 over 6, it's also 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So our common ratio is 1.5, and this would make it a geometric progression. Testing it for this guy here. Once again, picking any number. Let's pick 5. So negative 5 divided by the previous should equal the following. So 5 over 4 divided by 5. So negative 5 over 20, 5 over 4 divided by 5. Oops, sorry, negative 5 should have been. There we go. So we get negative, I'll leave this as a fraction, negative a quarter is equal to negative a quarter. Our ratio is negative 1/4. This is a geometric progression. One more here. I want you to give these two a go yourselves. So, figure out whether number 5 and number 6 are arithmetic or geometric. Now, it may look rather daunting, but it's the exact same thing. We pick any term. So let's pick 3x plus 2. And this entirely is one term. And from this, we're going to subtract the previous. And it should equal the following term minus the one that we've picked. So doing some arithmetic here. 3x take away 2x is x. 2 take away 1 is 1. So plus 1. So that's on the left hand side. On the right hand side, let's test it again. 4x take away 3x is just x. 3 take away 2 is positive 1. So, would you take a look? We get the same ratio in the left and the right. Sorry, not the ratio, same difference. So the common difference is x plus 1. So this would make this an arithmetic progression. You can probably guess that this is going to be a geometric progression, but now let's just try and figure out what the common ratio is. This one's rather more difficult, but I'll take you through how we go about doing it. Let's pick any term. Pick this one here. So I'm going to write this as x plus 1 over 4. And instead of dividing this by the previous with a fraction, I'm going to write this as divide. Divide the previous, x over 2. And this should equal the following term, so x outside of x plus 1 squared all over 8 divided by the one that we've picked. Oops. All over 4. Doing some arithmetic. This will stay the same. Again, you don't have to go through this long process of actually showing each step. I'm demonstrating to you how some of this cancelling that I'm about to do occurs. So when we divide by fractions, we're actually multiplying by the reciprocal, like so. So we keep the first, we change the sign, and we flip the divisor, which is what I've done. So we can cancel. X divides out x. 2 and 4 divide out to become a half. So we're actually left with, on the left hand side, x plus 1 divided by 2. Doing the same here. X cancels out with x. This entire group cancels out with one of them. 4 and 8 divide to become half. This leaves with us x plus 1 over 2. So left hand side equals right hand side. So our common ratio is x plus 1 divide 2. And so this would make this a geometric progression. So I hope that gave you an insight into calculating common differences and common ratios in arithmetic or geometric progressions. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.